Itong kwarto ni Louie.
Hello? Emergency room, please.
Mr. Strickland, you gotta use both arms, like me.
So my lunch today involved both a noodle packet and a sauce packet. So yeah, things are going pretty well for me.
Ito para kay Carl. Kay John Lawrence pala. Ito para kay Rain, kay Sheila, tsaka sa anak ni Marisa na babae. Ito mga toys ni Louie. Si Louie tulog. Ito kay Glenn to. Tagal niya na hiningi na ship. Tulog ka lang. Ito yung kwarto ni Jenny.
You see, President Platypus, will release the water being held by this dam into that huge drainage pipe that leads directly to the ocean. The additional water will raise the sea level by 2%, and then my property, 1 block from the shoreline, will become beachfront property. And to release the water from the dam, I have invented a ray, which attracts wood like a magnet attracts metal. The Waterator!
Tapos, ito yung CR namin. Sa hallway. Yung main door. Kitchen. Ito yung dining. Ito, dadalhin ko to pag uwi ko. Itong fountain na to, tsaka yung buffet server. Ito yung living room. Ayun, yung gingerbread house namin na nasagasaan. Tapos, in-install ulit. Tapos, tingnan natin sa labas. Ito yung labas namin. Tapos, ayan pa yung stockings ni Jelly tsaka ni Louie nakasabit. Di pa dumaan si Santa eh. Ito yung aming balcony. Madilim pa kasi tulog pa yung mga tao.